Hi, welcome to videos on read-only memories. So in the last video, we were discussing about electrically erasable and of course programmable read-only memories. So in this particular E-square PROM, so we saw that okay, how can we able to erase the data electrically. So okay, this is one type of ROM where we can able to erase the data electrically so that we can increase the usability of the memory. So continuing with that EEPROM, so we have a next category of memories which is called as flash memory. As the name itself indicates that, so we can able to do some operation in a flash. So this flash means okay, within a fraction of a second we can able to do some operation for the memory. The flash in this particular case is you can able to take out the content, or you can able to reset, or you can able to make the stored values in any of your MOSFET to be zero, meaning so in any of your EEPROM we were using MOSFET with different threshold voltages, meaning we were used to make the threshold voltage of few MOSFETs more, and few of them are retained at the earlier value. Now using this flash process you can able to bring back the threshold voltage of all the MOSFETs to a single or the previous value, that is default value of maybe around zero point 0.4 or zero point 0.5 volt. Even though a particular MOSFET is enhanced with the threshold voltage, so we can able to bring the threshold voltage of all the MOSFETs to the default values. So in a single go, it is not necessary to uh, make each and every MOSFET to reach to its default value individually. You can do it in a flash. All the transistor will be brought back to their default values. So let us again see here, even in this case of flash memory, since we are talking about how can we just bring back the threshold voltage to the earlier value. So these are also made up using the floating gate. This is also having floating gate structure. So this is how a flash concept will look like. Okay, we are looking at the transistor. Now assume that there are some charges already trapped in this floating gate. If you want to take out the charges, so that we call it as erase process. Erase process is nothing but taking out the charges that are there in this trapped floating gate need to be brought back, so not need to be brought back to the earlier value. So that can be accomplished by grounding the gate, applying 12 volts, and you keep your drain in open condition. If I do this operation, what all electrons that are trapped here will be get uh, forced to come down to the source, so that we will not have any more charges that are there in this particular floating gate structure, because the thin oxide what you have between this gate and the substrate is very thin, and since you applied a very large voltage, these electrons will be get attracted towards the source, and you will have the threshold voltage of this will be set to the default value, which is maybe around zero point 0.5 or zero point 0.4 volts. So this way we can able to take out the charges that are stored in this floating gate by having a open circuited drain, gate connected to ground, and applying 12 volt. This we call it as erase process. Assume that you want to store a particular value. So if you want to store a particular value, okay, this is the process. What we are doing is we are grounding the source and applying 6 volts and applying sufficient voltage at the gate. Let us try to understand what happens here. Since you apply 12 volt, so there is a lot of electrons that are there in this channel region. Since you applied 6 volt, because of tunneling, the electrons will be get trapped in this particular region. If at all, if you want to increase the threshold voltage of any transistor, you make that particular transistor source as 0 volt, that transistor drain as 6 volt, and you apply 12 volt to the gate, meaning that you will be making the electrons to go and sit in this floating gate, which will enhance the threshold voltage of MOSFET, which has been set with these voltages. assume that I want to read the value. So what do I mean by read? So I want to just verify whether this threshold voltage of the MOSFET is at the previous value of 0.5 volt, or is it more than 5 or 6 volts. So this is how we're going to read it. So assume that the threshold voltage of a particular transistor is enhanced. So this is the voltages that will be applied to source, gate and the drain. So we'll be applying 5 volt, not too much of voltage applied. Since you applied 1 volt, suppose if there are no charges trapped in this, so naturally we know that the this MOSFET will conduct and you are going to have a current flow, because the gate is applied with 5 volt and you have hardly zero 0.4 or zero 0.5 as the threshold voltage which is going to turn on the transistor. Assume that you are reading a transistor whose threshold voltage is increased. So since the threshold voltage of this MOSFET is more than 5 volt, it may not be possible for this 5 volt to turn on the MOSFET whose threshold voltage has been enhanced. So this way we can able to read whether the threshold voltage of this is enhanced or is it in the previous value. So what we'll do is we will have these transistor in each and every cross section of intersection of the bit line and word line. So let us take up an example of 2 cross 2. This is an example what we are considering. So here we have 4 transistors. Let me name it as transistor number 1. This is 2, this is 3, this is 4 transistor. If at all, if you want to erase the content of this one, so irrespective of what is the previous value, if you want to make the threshold voltage of all these MOSFETs as the default values, so as per this we have to make the configuration. So source should be connected to 12 volt. So you can see now this is source, you connect this to 12 volt. If source is connected to 12 volt, you make this drain. You can see this is drain, this is source, means this is drain. If this is source, means then this is drain. You just open circuit this, because you have to open circuit this drain, and then you apply 0 volt to gate. So if you can ground this, which is gate, this is my gate. If I ground this, if I apply that is 0 volt, so what will happen? All the charges, if at all, if it is being there in any of your floating gate structure, so it will be get discharged to the source structure. So which will be get discharged to source structure. So all the electrons will be get attracted towards the source. So we will end up with all the transistor, because now you can see in a flash, so you are taking out the energy from each and every transistor in a single flash. So that's why the name flash memory comes into picture, because you are erasing all the content in a single go. Let us try to understand how do I write the value. How do I write? Because for writing, as you can see here, source should be grounded and drain should be applied with 6 volt, and this should be made 12. Assume that you want to enhance the threshold voltage of a particular transistor. In such case, assume that since this is drain, I'll make this equal to 6 volt and make this 0 volt. Let me just make this equal to 12 volt and this is 0 volt. If I do this, if you can notice this, a particular transistor whose source, drain and gates are with these voltages, only that particular transistor will be having a enhanced threshold voltage. If you can see this, this is the drain, this is drain, and drain is connected with 6 volt. You can see there is a 6 volt connected, and gate is connected with this 12. Okay, this is 12. You can see these two drains are getting 6 volt and these two drains are getting 0 volt. So these two are not considered now. So there is a possibility of enhancing the threshold voltage of either transistor 1 or the transistor number 3. Since only this transistor is connected with gate of 12 volt, only this transistor will have an enhanced threshold voltage. So the threshold voltage of this may be raised to 6 volt, whereas this will be having at 0.5, this also at 0.5, this is also at 0.5. So out of 4 transistors that we are considering, we have erased, we have made all the threshold voltage of all 4 transistors to be 0.5. Now I want to write, meaning I want to enhance the threshold voltage of only this transistor. That's why I'm just making this gate as 12 volt and the corresponding drain as 6 volt. So this threshold voltage has increased from 0.5 to 6 volts. Now I want to just verify whether that is having an enhanced voltage or not, for which I need to make this type of setup. So this gate should be made 5 volt. You can see even if I make this equal to 5 volt, and you can see you apply 1 volt here, you apply even if you apply 1 volt here, since the threshold voltage of this is enhanced, since the okay, you can make this equal to 0 volt, make this also equal to 0 volt, so that you can able to know whether this MOSFET turns or not, because you have gate is connected with 5 volt, and the source, of course you can make this, because this is source is grounded, drain is connected with 1 volt, this is drain is connected with 1 volt. Since you are having this type of configuration that has been connected to, this has been okay, connected to this particular transistor 1, since this transistor has a enhanced threshold voltage of 6 volt, this will be in off condition. This will be in off condition. Assume that you make this equal to 5, make this equal to 1. So in such case, so this will be in on condition. This will be in on condition because we have a 5 volt applied to this, and in the previous process of writing, the threshold voltage of transistor 2 was not enhanced. Since the threshold voltage of this is not enhanced, for a gate voltage of 5, this will turn on. Only this transistor will not turn on whenever you make this equal to 5, the drain is equal to 1, sorry, drain is equal to 1 volt, and the source is equal to grounded, source is grounded. So likewise, this is your erase process, which is similar to this voltages, and this is write process. Write process is nothing but whether I should able to, or whether I should be requiring to enhance the threshold voltage of that MOSFET or not. If you want to enhance, make this setup, you apply the gate of 12 volt, drain with 6, ground the source. Whichever transistor is having this type of favorable condition, those will have a trap charges which will increase the threshold voltage beyond 5 volt, which you are considering here as the input for your word line. So likewise, this flash is also one of the possibility of having this EEPROM. Again, as I just said, the flash memory is called as flash because I can able to take out the charges from all the MOSFETs simultaneously. So this is how a flash memory is going to work out. So once we have these type of memories, so the reading, writing, and erasing the memory locations will be very easy.